Hi guys! Morning Cafe sa Iluminada, Mount Balatucan Cafe. Narigid ni diri sa right side sa ilang entrance. Unsa may tawag ani nga tanom guys? Grabe ka nice, lavender. People gyapon nilang cafe guys no, naay second floor ani. Busy nag-order no ang mga mahiligon og coffee. And more on. It's just simple but elegant. And then from inside, you will have a view of the beautiful garden. Thanks for all the laughter, guys. Nalingaw si Donya, sige, tagpangatawa. Lovers in the wind. So, nasa like clubhouse sandwich, nasa like cakes, more niya mong gi-order per no? And especially the maron. Sige na. Yes guys, lami siya. Excited manggid ka no pag makadungog pag moron. Bye for now, Iluminada. See you next time. Actually, maraga Baguio guys, but master kay mo drive among Sir McNeil, so thank you Sir McNeil, we got home safe.